Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore the 4 types of sentences in English. Understanding these will help you improve your writing and communication skills. Let's dive right in. First up, we have declarative sentences. These are the sentences that make a statement and end with a period. For example, the sky is blue. Simple and straightforward. Next, we have interrogative sentences. These are the ones that ask a question and end with a question mark. For example, is the sky blue? Easy, right? Now let's talk about imperative sentences. These sentences give a command or request and can end with either a period or an exclamation mark. For example, please close the door. Or if you're really feeling it, close the door. Last but not least, we have exclamatory sentences. These express strong emotion and always end with an exclamation mark. For example, what a beautiful day. You can really feel the excitement, can't you? Can you think of an example of each type of sentence? Share them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more English tips and lessons. Thanks for watching and see you next time.